Okay, good afternoon again from Lance's Trailer Sales in beautiful Athens, Ohio. This is the third in a series of the 41 ED dump trailers. This is our 6.5 by 10. It's actually 77 inches inside the bed, so it's 6'5', 10 feet long, model 41 ED. It has a pair of Dexter 3,500 pound spring axles, 7,000 pounds of gross vehicle weight rating. The trailer weighs exactly 1,925 pounds. So you've got roughly 2.5 tons of carrying capacity. Model 41 ED, power up, power down. You'll notice that this one also is equipped with a factory installed tarp, stake pockets, D-rings in the bed. It has the same 5-foot slide-in ramps. The same features as our first two models. Power up, power down, Series 27 deep cycle marine battery. 5 amp onboard battery charger, 110. The tarp handle, the tarp throat, and the throw rope. Notice that we upgraded to a 2 5/16 cast coupler. 2 5/16 cast coupler. PPG automotive primer and paint. Triple action rear gate. It folds down like a tailgate. It opens up barn doors. They swing all the way back open, or it spreads stone. Something else I want to point out about the construction of the Diamond C, the way these are put together with quality in mind. You'll notice that there is only one seam here in the bed, that this bed is made out of 2 pieces of steel. It's not scabbed together with all kinds of different sections. The bed is built out of 2 sides, one seam down the middle, and then you've got the front board welded on. It's a very rugged constructed trailer. The sides are 12 gauge, the bed is 12 gauge. 18-inch sides. 18-inch sides. This is the trailer that we sort of use for our, light to medium commercial. Contractors use these. It's got more carrying capacity. You can put boards in these stake pockets and build up sides to carry more stuff. Here are the chains that either set the depth for spreading stone, or they also hold the doors all the way open. The same 205/15 6-ply radial tires, spare tire carrier, and this one we sell for $49.95. $49.95 plus tax as applicable. In stock, we've got them in black. Pan over there, just pan down those, Kayla. Show the customers all the dumps that we keep in stock. This is just a small sampling. We've got 20 or 30 more down at our satellite lot, but we've got them in black, charcoal gray, or red, all in stock. And the grays and the reds get the black wheels, the black tires, black rims. Okay, in stock at Lance's Trailer Sales in Athens, Ohio, 740-592-8000. Pick up the phone and give us a call.